What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Scott's Honest Reviews. Today we are reviewing the electric heated hat. And oh boy, I hope this works as good as it sounds, because let me tell you, working outside in the cold gets pretty cold. If you're interested, you can find this product in my video description. So here we have it. It's a Tootsie hat. Ooh. We got some goodies in here. So there's how you charge it. Oh man, that is nice lining. That is super soft. Wow. So let's open up the insides there so you guys can see a little better here. That's the material, and it is super soft. Let's go ahead and we don't need this one here. So we are going to be fully testing this out. So let's see where we charge it. It looks like there's a little Velcro inside, and it looks like this is where you charge it. So, well, that doesn't connect. So let's see. Here we go. So you charge it with this. You put it in here and then you connect this like so. And you place it back in here. Make sure you also Velcro it back up. Put everything back in the pocket. Alright, we just turned it on. That shows you the battery. So, we're not really going to know how it works tonight because we need to test it tomorrow morning when we're working outside in the cold. So, I will get back to you guys and let you know. Oh no, that's not the battery, that's just the heat. So you press it, it drops a bar down, drops to nothing. So when there's no bars, that means it's off. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to disconnect it and charge it overnight. That way it's fully charged and we can really fully test it out. So stay tuned, guys. So guys, I actually do want to point out here some features. The first mode, the lowest setting is 68 to 86 degrees, medium is 86 to 102, and highest is 102 to 115. And here's the heated areas to the left and to the right. Battery life on the lowest setting is 6 to 7 hours, medium 4 to 5 hours, the highest setting 3 to 4 hours. Waist stretch, great ear cover, helmet friendly, seasoned performance, lightweight. So let's see, connect the batteries with the wires, press on and off, then it's in third grid red, which is 100%, yep, just like we thought. So yeah. Alright everybody, welcome back. So on the job and just tested out the Tootsie hat here. So warmed up perfectly, everything worked great, very soft. I would say the only thing I have an issue with is the battery pack. It's very bulky in the back of your head, so you definitely feel it. I don't know if you'd want to wear the Tootsie hat for super long periods of time, or maybe there's something you can do with I don't know, maybe you can spread it out some way to make it not as bulky. But yeah, it does its job, and definitely going to be using this on really cold days while working outside. So it gets a 7 out of 10 for me, just because it's heated and it it works good, minus that back pressure of the battery pack against your head.